Once again, afternoon, folks. This time around, I'm taking you through a continuation on the paper 4.2, 2025 February March IGCSE examination. Um, is number 11 that we want to look into, which involves a bit of finance. So there's a story with Midiu who invests $1,500 at a rate of 4.2% per year compound interest. Calculate the value of the investment at the end of 5 years. So that's compound interest. Our formula is going to say A equal to P into 1 plus I all to the exponent n. Remember, our I should be in decimal. So when I do my substitutions, it's 1,500 into 1 plus 0.042 all to the power 5. Then I'll bring my calculator to do the calculation. We'll start with um, part where we have brackets. So I'm saying 1 plus 0.042. I close the bracket and raise this to the power 5. Then I drop down, multiplied by 1,500. Let me check what the result will be. 1842.59. So the result is 1842.59. So it's $1,842.59. Now, Hitachi invests some money at a rate of X% per year compound interest. At the end of 11 years, the value of the investment is doubled. So we are not told how much he invested. Let's call it P. So at the end of 11 years, we have got 2P. So we are going to try and build up an equation which will help us to find the interest rates involved. So let me do my substitution because the formula is still the same. A into P plus 1 plus I all to exponent n. So finally it was 2P. But before we invested our P here, then into 1 plus is X%. We're going to check what we get. We know it's a percentage, it means it's out of 100. But then we are raising it to the power 11. So as we can see clear, if we are trying to solve for x, it means first we have to get rid of the following. Then looks like it's now an exponential equation, but our exponents are not the same. So I'll be forced to bring in logs to say, but log of 2 is equal to log of 1 plus x over 100 all to the power 11. So let's check. I can drop down the 11 so that I'll end up having log 2 equal to 11 log into 1 plus x over 100. We proceed with my calculation. I'm allowed to divide both sides by 11 and C8 will cancel. So I'll end up having log, let's see if I can bring my calculator, that's log 2 equal to divided by 11. So I'll get that answer, which is approximately 0.027. Let me try and write it approximately. That is 0.027 being equal to log inside the bracket is 1 plus x all over 100. But remember, every log is to the base 10. So if I want the log to go away, I'll proceed with the calculation here to say, if I say 10 to exponent whatever 0.027 that we get, that will be equal to 1 plus x all over 100. So let me see if my calculator can assist me. I've got the answer there, so I can choose to type, because the answer I can pick it 10 to the power, let me go to alpha, then answer. And when I say equal, that's what I'll have. So with this solution that I have, I'm saying 1.0, whichever answer that I have, is equal to 1 plus x, so let me just say 1.065. So I'll come and say 1.065 equal to 1 plus x over 100. Now, because I'm looking for x, so I can transpose 1, and I'll say 1 minus 0. Sorry, I'll say 1.065 minus 1 being equal to x all over 100. Then in order for me to get x the percentage, I'll then multiply whatever result that I get, which is approximately 0.65, then it will turn to a percentage. So let me get the exact value from the calculator to say, from the calculator, we are saying this answer that we have, if we subtract 1, it will give us what we have above there. And if we multiply this result by 100, it means that's the percentage we'll be looking for, which is approximately 6.5. So my x is roughly 6.5%. Yeah, a bit lengthy, but I hope it was inspiring. We take a break. I'll proceed with the next problem. Thank you.